Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's video, we're diving into smoothies and shakes, explicitly focusing on the 5 most popular and nutritious options for breakfast and weight loss. We all know starting your day with a healthy meal is crucial, especially if you're on a weight loss journey. Nutritious breakfasts kickstart your metabolism and keep you energized and satisfied throughout the morning. In this video, we'll explore delicious recipes that are easy to make and packed with essential vitamins and minerals. From fruity blends to protein-rich shakes, we've got something for everyone. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or incorporate more healthy options into your diet, these smoothies and shakes will help you achieve your goals without sacrificing flavor. So, grab your blender and whip up some tasty, nutritious breakfast that will keep you feeling great all day. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Green Detox. Smoothie. Let's begin with the Green Detox Smoothie, a refreshing blend perfect for jumpstarting your day. This vibrant drink is packed with nutrient-dense ingredients like spinach, kale, and green apple, making it a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. Spinach and kale are rich in antioxidants and fiber, supporting your overall health and aiding in detoxification. The green apple adds a touch of sweetness while providing essential nutrients and promoting weight loss by keeping you full longer. One of the standout benefits of this smoothie is its detoxifying properties. The combination of greens helps to cleanse your system, flushing out toxins and boosting your metabolism. Plus, it's low in calories, making it an excellent choice for those looking to shed a few pounds. If you want to mix things up, consider adding a splash of lemon juice for a zesty kick or a scoop of protein powder for an extra boost. You can also swap the apple for a pear or add some cucumber for a refreshing twist. Enjoy your healthy start. Berry Blast. Protein Shake. Next is the Berry Blast Protein Shake, a delicious and nutritious option that is perfect for post-workout recovery or a satisfying breakfast. This shake is loaded with mixed berries, including strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, and is rich in antioxidants that help combat inflammation and support overall health. We'll also be using creamy Greek yogurt and almond milk, which enhance the flavor and provide a great source of protein and healthy fats. The Berry Blast Protein Shake is vital in muscle recovery, making it an ideal choice after a workout. The protein helps repair and build muscle tissue, while the antioxidants from the berries aid in reducing soreness. Additionally, this shake is fantastic for weight management, as it keeps you full and satisfied without unnecessary calories. Add a scoop of your favorite protein powder to increase the protein content further. This simple addition can enhance the shake's nutritional profile, making it an even more powerful ally in your health journey. Enjoy this tasty treat. Tropical Mango Smoothie. Let's dive into the Tropical Mango Smoothie, a sweet and satisfying breakfast or midday pick-me-up option. This delightful blend features ripe mango, creamy banana, and refreshing coconut water, making it delicious and incredibly hydrating. Mango is packed with vitamins A and C, while banana adds potassium and natural sweetness, creating a tropical flavor explosion. One of the standout benefits of this smoothie is its high fiber content, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. The combination of fiber and natural sugars provides a quick energy boost, making it an excellent choice for those busy mornings or post-workout recovery. The Tropical Mango Smoothie can help curb cravings, making it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. By incorporating this tasty treat into your routine, you'll enjoy a nutritious option that supports your health while satisfying your sweet tooth. So, blend up this tropical delight and enjoy a refreshing start to your day. Chocolate Banana Shake. Now, let's talk about the Chocolate Banana Shake, a guilt-free treat perfect for satisfying your sweet cravings without the extra calories. This delicious shake combines ripe banana, rich cocoa powder, and creamy almond milk to create a flavor that feels indulgent yet healthy. The natural sweetness of the banana pairs perfectly with the deep, chocolatey notes of cocoa, making it a delightful option for any time of day. Nutritionally, this shake is a winner. It's low in calories while providing essential nutrients like banana potassium and cocoa powder antioxidants. This makes it an excellent choice for those looking to enjoy a sweet treat without derailing their health goals. Additionally, the chocolate banana shake serves as an excellent post-workout recovery option. Combining carbohydrates from the banana and protein from the almond milk helps replenish energy stores and aids in muscle recovery. So, blend this delicious shake and enjoy a satisfying, nutritious treat that keeps you on track. Avocado spinach smoothie. Explore the creamy avocado spinach smoothie, a delicious blend of healthy fats and essential nutrients. This smoothie features ripe avocado, fresh spinach, and a splash of lime juice, creating a refreshing and satisfying drink that is perfect for any time of day. The creamy texture of avocado makes this smoothie indulgent and provides heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that are great for cardiovascular health. In addition to its heart-healthy benefits, this smoothie supports weight loss by keeping you full and satisfied. The fiber from the avocado and spinach helps regulate digestion and curb cravings, making it easier to stick to your health goals. Don't hesitate to get creative with this recipe. Feel free to experiment with greens like kale or Swiss chard to mix up the flavors and nutritional profile. Each variation can bring its unique benefits while keeping your smoothie routine exciting. So blend this nutritious treat and enjoy a delicious way to fuel your day. 5 delicious and nutritious smoothies perfect for breakfast and weight loss. We started with the green detox smoothie, packed with greens for detoxification, followed by the Berry Blast protein shake, which supports muscle recovery and is rich in antioxidants. Next, we enjoyed the tropical mango smoothie, a hydrating option that curbs cravings, and the chocolate banana shake, a guilt-free treat that satisfies sweet cravings while being low in calories. Finally, we highlighted the creamy avocado spinach smoothie, smoothie, which is rich in healthy fats and nutrients and promotes heart health. Incorporating these nutritious options into your breakfast routine is essential for maintaining energy levels and supporting your weight loss goals. We hope you feel inspired to try these recipes and make them a part of your daily life. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more content that empowers you to live healthier.